Introducing you the Arabic language, starting with the fundamentals of Arabic. Arabic has 12 sub-sciences in itself, completing it. The first three are the most important, as we will be focusing on that in this video. Number 4, 5, and 6 are supposed to do with the spoken Arabic, while number 7 and 8 has to do with the Arabic poetry. 9, 10, 11, 12 are just what it says. So the first three important basics, starting with vocabulary. Vocabulary is the first important one, as it is useful in sentence making, speech, and reading. Here are three simple guides. The names of the dictionaries, starting with Hanswehr, is from Arabic to English, and Mawrid is English to Arabic. Both of these are a great help for a beginner. And the third is Munjid. It is Arabic to Arabic. After one is familiar with the foundation of the Arabic, you'll be able to use this dictionary. One can improve the vocabulary by a lot of reading and exercises. Moving on to morphology, this has to do with verbs. There are three distinguishing components, dividing first into positive and negative. Second, to known and unknown, it has to do with the doer of the action. Third, it's dividing into three, considering its tenses, past, present, and imperative. Moving on to grammar. Grammar of Arabic mostly has to do with the end case of a sentence. For example here, رجل حسن. This end case, the ضمتين, from that one haraka, one will be able to identify the meaning of the sentence and understand. That will lead to paragraphs and eventually will enable oneself to answer questions. Under grammar, our first lesson is going to be about al-kalima, the word. The word is divided into three, starting with ism, fi'al, and harf. Ism means in English the noun, that word naming a person, place, or a thing. Fi'al, the verb, a word from which an action is understood. It will have one of the three tenses: the past tense, the present or future tense, the imperative tense. Unlike the English language, there's a slight difference here. While you find there the past tense, the present tense, and the future tense, here you can find the present and the future tense are together, while you have an extra, the imperative tense, aka command. Harf is a word which the meaning will only be understood when it is used with other words in a sentence. That is, the harf will only be understood when it is used with a fi'al or an ism. Under ism, the first division, ism is divided into two: ma'arifa, the definite or the specific noun; nakira, the indefinite or common noun. As you can see here, the common noun, nakira, is divided into two: ism dhat, the common noun, and ism sifa, the adjective. Example, رجل, a man; بيت, a house; فرس, a horse. The common noun does not give you any idea of a specified person or a thing. Likewise, the adjective. Ma'rifa, the definite or specific noun, is divided into 7, as you can see here. First is Ismul Alam, the proper noun, that which is naming a person, place, or a thing. The second is the pronoun, Ismul Dhamir. Third is Ismul Ishara, the demonstrative noun. Fourth is Ismul Mawsul, the relative pronoun. The fifth is Ismul Munada, the noun of exclamation. And the sixth is called noun of the definite article, Al-Mu'arraf Billah. It is becoming definite, it is becoming ma'rifa by alif and la. As you can see here, Baytun, a common noun, when it is added with alif lam, it becomes definite. Al-Baytu, the house. Ismul Mudaf is any common noun attached with any of the above 6 mentioned nouns. We will see that later. As we already know what Ismul Alam is, we are going to learn about Ismul Dhamir. Ismul Dhamir, the pronouns are divided into two. The first is the detached pronoun, where the pronoun is separated from the noun. As you can see here, there is a clear space between the noun and the pronoun. The second one is the attached pronoun, where the pronoun is attached to the noun and it gives you a meaning of ownership. Baytun plus hu, baytuhu, his house. There is no visible space in between. Dhama'irul munfasila, the detached pronouns have 3 columns. And the first 3 rows of these 2 columns belong to the masculine form, while the last 3 belongs to the feminine.